Hey guys, I'm Jake, and recently my girlfriend kicked the antlers off the kitchen table because apparently it wasn't the look she was going for. So now I'm going to try to figure out how to hang it on the wall. I've never done this before, so let's see if I can turn this into something a little bit cooler.
So you don't need much for this project. I have a scrap piece of wood, some stain for the backer board right there, some gloves, rope to tie around it, plaster of Paris, some felt, and a butter knife.
So I bought most of these things at Hobby Lobby. This is plaster of Paris. That's 10 bucks, 3 bucks, 3 bucks, 79 cents. With, you know, the other materials, it rounds up to about 20 bucks.
Right there.
Or lower?
No, higher.
Higher, right there? Okay, that's what I thought too. Well guys, it turned out pretty nice if you ask me. I wasn't crazy about the color scheme at first. I thought the brown on brown was a little weird, but I think the green added a nice little touch to it, so it turned out all right in my mind. This is actually my first deer I ever shot in my life, so it's kind of a big deal for me to get it up on the wall. It's been in a closet for a long time, so I'm happy it's up here. It adds a nice touch to the office, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions about the process or about the materials I use, just feel free to throw it in the comments. For more stuff like this, like and subscribe.